Good morning, everybody. Mr. Short Game here. Today we're talking about saving par from anywhere. You can do it. Let's go right now. Okay, so there you are. Long par 4. You just want to make par. You just want to make par and get out of town, go to the next hole. You just like, come on. Everything's got to be right, but everything goes wrong. It happens to me. It happens to me all the time. What do? Take a look. Okay, so the 465 yard or whatever, par 4, dog leg left. I need to hit a nice little draw, put in the fairway, and I push it right into the trees, into the junk. Frustrating, right? Okay, so I'm analyzing my situation. What I first do is say, okay, where do I want to punch this out to? If I have to punch out, where do I want it to be, right? So I'm like, okay, right over there, 100 yards to 80 to 100 yards, perfect for me. Then I look at it and say, okay, can I put this on the green? Is there a shot that I can pull off here that'll put it on the green? I have a little over 200. My 4-iron that would be a full out shot for a 4-iron. So, and I have to hit this low cut. So that's out of the question. It's not gonna make it. So my hybrid would be my next thought. The problem is, if I hit a solid hybrid, especially with a cut, I get a little high in the club face, it's gonna hit those trees. I'm doomed. So I don't wanna hit those trees. That's a no-go right there. No trees. So I'm like, okay, I've got a little downhill lie. It's a little downhill, but not too bad. So I'm thinking, okay, grab the 3-wood, because that will, if I hit the great shot, the perfect shot, it could run up on the green. Low punch cut, 3-wood, it'll roll out, but it has to be done perfectly, right? But what happens if I totally blow this 3-wood? Like if I top it. I figure if I top it, it's gonna roll out to about 150. That would be the worst case scenario, center of the fairway. The second choice is, hey, if I chunk it a little bit, it'll roll out a bit farther than that. So I'll kind of be in my layup position. So I'm thinking that. The only thing I don't wanna do is hit the trees. Don't push it right. So I'm making sure that with that 3-wood swing, I'm coming over the top of that and I'm really smothering that ball, hitting down on it. Which I did. And I hit a pretty good shot. However, it just went too low and it hit the ground in front of me and hit up and rolled out to about 86 yards or so. So I'm in the perfect position. See, I calculated everything, where I wanted to lay up, chose the club that could get there with it, like the hero shot. But if all went wrong, and most went wrong, it's gonna be where I wanted to lay up. This was a perfect opportunity to risk it, to gamble a little bit, because if I messed up, I'm still in an okay spot. But I don't want to gamble and hit the tree. So you've got to rule that out. Whatever you can do to not hit those trees and push it right, do that. If I missed a little left in the fairway, I'm coming in with a good angle to this green. So we're in a good spot. But now I've got to pull off the shot that's going to save my par. Let's go. Okay, it turned out to be a good little layup. 84 yards. Pin's kind of in the back. It's a perfect opportunity to flight one down low, 52-degree, little 3/4 finish. Flight it down, tap in par, right? I got 3 feet or so. Now I did a whole video on this specific shot. I'm putting it right here for you. Check it out because it's really going to, this is the par saving shot. That's why I laid up in this position. When I have this shot, I know that this is one of my favorite shots. So now I'm excited. I went from not very happy hitting a bad drive to, yes, I get to hit one of my favorite shots on the golf course. So your layup position when you're trying to save a shot is put the ball in your favorite position where you get to hit your favorite shot. I use this shot all the time with my 56, my 52, with my pitching wedge. I use it with 9, 8 irons, 7 irons sometimes. This is a shot saver, okay? So check that out as well because it will help you save those bars. Look, we're all gonna make mistakes, but it's all about saving strokes when that happens. And the more you can do that, the better you're gonna be and the farther you're gonna get in this crazy game, all right? So thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video. Hit the like, share, subscribe. We're coming at you all the time. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.